Hello everybody, in this video we are going to unbox Leatherman Tread multi-tool bracelet. However, this is a fake bracelet, so I want to show you tips and tricks how to spot is your one fake or the original. So to start with the box, on this fake box the bracelet is a bit brighter than on the original box, and you can see this logo is slightly offset to the left, so it's not in the middle of the box. Also, this logo here, it is much bigger than it is on the original box. From behind they are pretty much the same. So here it says 2016, maybe on your will say 2015. So of course this depends from the year of manufacturing, but in general logo is smaller on the original one, and here is also a bit smaller and darker. Once you open the box, you get the bracelet, which looks pretty much as original, so I would say this is really good copy. As you can see here, the logo, it's pretty centered, so you cannot notice from the first that this is a copy, and it is pretty good done. So another way to notice is that you see in this elongated foam it is loosely, while on the original one it will fit perfectly on this foam, and the foam is generally more dense on the original one. So now to start with the bracelet. So as I said before, this logo, it's pretty good. From the outside it looks pretty good, but you can see, for example, this part here where you open the bracelet. So you open it like this, pull this part here. So you see this part here, it's not shiny like the rest of the bracelet. So this is polished here, this is polished, but this part here is not polished, and on the original one it is also polished. So you can see, and also this part here, it is for cutting. So this should be really sharp, because they said, for example, if you have some car accident and you need to cut your seat belt quickly, with this you can cut, but this one I tried even on the paper, it will not cut even the paper and not the seat belt. So this one is not sharp, and you can see in general the quality of this one is not good. This pin for seam or something else, it's also not good. Another clue is this part here. So on the original one it will be different material than the rest of this tool. So as you can see here, it is completely the same material. So this is not harder material than this one here. Another clue is, if you take a look inside of some of these, you will find some imperfections, while on the original one this you cannot find. Other than that, it is pretty much the same as the original one. Also the weight is pretty the same. I was thinking that this one is a bit lighter, but it is almost the same. So the people who don't know about this Leatherman Tread, it can be used as a bracelet. So of course, if it is loose like this, you can unscrew some of these tools that you don't need and remove them, so it will be tight when you go, for example, into hunting or camping or any other activity where you can get used of these tools. For the price, it is pretty pricey. The original one will be, I think, a bit more than $100, while the fake one should be around $50, but this one I paid more than $50, so I will need to return it because this is obviously fake one. That will be all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this bracelet interesting, you can check the link below to order the original one. Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.